Hello everyone, this is Uday and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be explaining what are the best websites to find data science jobs. Especially the complete data science domain. You can find machine learning jobs, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, or any other jobs related to this domain and data analyst or business analyst or anything. So let's get started. So the first website I would suggest is like AngelList. So this is one of the best websites if you want to find a job in a startup, especially in a startup. So this is a website where you can find huge number of startups from all over the world who are hiring, especially in that countries or who are hiring remotely. So you can find a lot of jobs related to machine learning, software engineering, data science, or whatever, front end developer, back end developer. Like you can find a hell lot of jobs, uh, especially in startups. So you can just visit this website and you can fill out your profile and find the jobs which you are interested in. And the second website I would suggest is like Stack Overflow jobs. Like there is a separate tab or job board which is there in Stack Overflow as well. So you can simply go to that tab and there will be a lot of job posted lists. So you can find any job which you're interested in. A good number of companies like highly reputed like Amazon, uh, Microsoft, or these kind of companies will be hiring from Stack Overflow. So you can simply go there and apply with your profile, or you can directly apply with your resumes or anything. So this is also one very good website to find the jobs. And the next one is like Glassdoor. So it is one of the largest website where you can find and everything about that company. Whatever the company you're looking for, just go to that company. You can find the reviews posted by the current or previous employees. So you can read more about the company, the culture and everything. You can also find the salary ranges, you can find the benefits, or you can also find the interview questions related to a specific job role. And you can also find the job postings over there itself. So you can just go to any company, go to the jobs tab, and you'll be finding a lot of jobs listed over there. So you can simply apply from that website itself, or you can go to the company website and apply there. So this is one of the best website to find completely about that company. And the other website is like underdog.io. Like this is a website developer especially which uses a lot of technical software things to map you between the recruiter and maps between you and the recruiter. So this is also one of the good websites. Like you can just go to there and find a good one, especially the jobs in NYC and San Francisco. And there is another website called Analytics Vidya. Like it is one of the best websites to find a lot of things. You'll be finding a lot of blogs on machine learning or data science, or you can also find the courses which are uh, completely from Analytics Vidya itself. So this is like community driven, largest analytics community. So there is also a job portal there. So you can go to that job portal and you can find a lot of data science jobs. But mostly in this website you will be finding only jobs for experienced people, more than 3 or 5 years of experience. So it is not that good for finding jobs for beginners. I mean, especially for the people who are graduated. So it is the best website for experienced people, and mostly the roles are based in India itself. And the other website is like Kaggle. So I know everyone knows what is Kaggle, so I don't need to say anything about that. So if you have a good Kaggle profile, you can also directly apply the jobs from that website itself. There is a separate tab for that. But one of the best companies who have some good projects in data science or machine learning, so they would be hiring directly from there itself. So you can just go to that tab and apply with your profiles. And the other website is like LinkedIn. It is also one of the largest professional networking platforms. So almost all the companies keep their job postings on the LinkedIn itself. And so you can directly go to the jobs tab in the LinkedIn and just filter out with your profile whatever the job you want, like machine learning or data science, and the country which you want to work in, or the state which you want to work in. So you'll be finding a lot of jobs, and you can filter out with the experience, or a part time or full time, or you can also filter with when the job is posted. Like you can find the latest 20 latest post in latest job postings in the last 24 hours, or last 3 days, or last 1 week. So you can find there also. And you can also find the recruiter who posted that job if they mention. So you can directly connect with that recruiter, share your profile, talk with them, and you can finally get an opportunity for an interview. Or else you can also find the employees working in that company, ask for the referral from the LinkedIn itself. So if they are interested in your profile, they may refer you, and you can get a good job through LinkedIn. I mean, a lot of people get their jobs through LinkedIn itself. Like I got my job through LinkedIn only. So if you have a very good social profile, like you do a lot of posting, you write a lot of blogs, so just keep everything on LinkedIn. So you may find a good job through LinkedIn. So the next website, I mean, you can find a lot of remote full-time jobs. Like if you are completely habituated to work from home, you can find these websites, and you can find a lot of remote ML jobs. But I can say like the first three websites, sorry, the first two websites, Turing.com and TopTal.com. So if you can crack a job from these two websites, then you are awesome. Like I'm trying to find a complete full-time remote job. So I'm also trying to crack uh, the exams from these two websites, and maybe let's see what happens. But you can find but you can also go through all these websites to find any remote jobs if you are interested in. If you are interested to do freelancing, then there are a lot of websites like these. So you can just go to Upwork or Freelance Remote, Fiverr or Freelancer. There are a lot of websites. You can just simply go to any of these websites, and you can find a lot of freelance opportunities. uh, you can write directly to the client who posted that freelance job. So write your proposal, and if that looks good, you may get an opportunity to work with them. So these are one of the best websites to find freelance jobs. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. So you'll be getting a lot of good content um, posted every 2 days or every 3 days. So if you know any website other than all these things where you can find good jobs, please do mention that in the comments, so it can help others to find a good job there. So if you like the video, just like it, comment below the websites which you think which are good to find the jobs. And if you're new, just please subscribe. And that's it from today's video. Guys, thank you.